Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, pump jet propulsion for next gen submarines. The Indian Navy's quest for enhanced underwater capability is taking a significant leap forward with the upcoming construction of 2 nuclear attack submarines. As the government prepares to greenlight the project, a crucial detail has emerged: the inclusion of pump jet propulsion technology. Actually, it offers a significant advantage over traditional propellers. It reduces noise signatures, making the submarines harder to detect by enemy sonar. Next, seeking funds for critical high altitude test facilities. The Gas Turbine Research Establishment, a premier research and development organization under the DRDO, has submitted a proposal to the Ministry of Defense seeking dedicated funds for the establishment of a high altitude test facility within the country. Currently, India lacks such a crucial infrastructure, forcing GTRE to rely on the Central Institute of Aviation Motors in Russia for testing its critical engines, such as the Kaveri. Next, lethal payloads for swarm drones. Indian defense startup Zeus Numerics has made significant strides in drone technology by developing 3 kg and 5 kg ammunition specially designed for swarm drone operations. The company claims that these payloads can be integrated into a variety of drones, including those used for agricultural purposes, transforming them into potent weapons platform when required. Next, submarine lease plans stalls. India's ambitious plans to lease a nuclear submarine from Russia by 2025 seem to have hit a roadblock. While negotiations between the two countries were once progressing steadily, recent reports suggest that the talks have cooled down significantly. The proposed lease of a nuclear submarine was seen as a crucial step in India's effort to strengthen its maritime capabilities and deter potential threats. Next, India's Ka-31 helicopter deal with Russia suspended. India's plans to acquire 10 Kamov Ka-31 airborne early warning helicopters from Russia have been put on hold due to uncertainty arising from the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. The Indian Navy, which has been negotiating with Russia for the purchase of these helicopters at a cost of $520 million, that is somewhere around 4,354 crore, has been advised to explore alternative options or consider indigenous development in. Next, India's nuclear weapons producing capacity. India's nuclear weapons program is a subject of significant strategic interest, with the country's ability to produce weapon-grade plutonium playing a critical role in its nuclear deterrence. This article estimates India's nuclear weapons producing capacity by analyzing the plutonium production from various sectors. Thank you.